contact with him.
Good morning, America. Kid rock. I'm cool what it is. Baptism by fire. Pleasure to fellowship. You know, family's always welcome.
I can't see all that you can see. Open your eyes, walk with me. Oh, imagination is such a beautiful thing. Would you agree?
I wonder who would have been a Clarence 13 or the NGE if Malcolm X really overstood the first degree, being fed by the bread of Elijah Muhammad, who said after me, God himself is there be no more prophets. Where would Warfdeen and Farrakhan be as leaders if they knew Elijah was talking about Imam Isa when he said the book of land here, the 19th letter, the beginning and the ending with the 19th element, who made land to every year equal 1 mile. That's a cycle in procession every 25 dial. We're renewal, the Alpha and Omega, who translated each and every scripture for us, letter for letter. What if the world knew Muhammad was a Christian, who said no Muslim should die without accepting Christ? So listen, imagine Jesus really came back. He'd probably be up in my hood selling crack, yelling crack, another black man struggling. Could have saved the world, but damn, homie, never stood a chance. But he still have been my man, just a man, just a man.
I can take you places you never been. Reminding me you's good and also a weapon. Instead of shout, I'ma let my voice ring. Imagination is such a beautiful thing. Would you agree? Would you agree? Walk home with me. Oh,
What if just like this, I could shift shit around? I'll transform each and every single cracker into John Brown. I'll free Dr. York to make the lost found. I'll resurrect Khalid Muhammad and put Lazarus back in the ground. I let the record show my people get excited and let it be known that reggaeton is hip-hop, so stop fighting it. What if you stop speaking Spanish and spoke your own language? Maybe then you'd understand we ain't Latin. I'll transfer control of the media from the Jew to the Hebrew, then broadcast the truth to my people. Imagine Jacob York never met Lil Kim, man. Him and his father were the best of friends. It might be a whole different situation. So if you feel me, then feel the pain of the new Wahabian nation. Now take the word imagine, picture what I'm asking. When I say imagine Dr. York free, now let's make it happen. So take the word imagine, picture what I'm asking. When I say imagine Dr. York free, now let's make it happen. Let's make it happen.
Imagine opposites like walking with Jesus. Imagine a love, yeah, as great as family. Imagine healthcare in this country was free. Imagine having people share policies. Imagine all faith in this world was harmony. Imagine this song going down in history. Let my voice help your imagination. Run free, imagination is such a beautiful thing. Oh yeah, imagination is such a beautiful thing. It's such a imagination. Oh yeah, imagination. Oh yeah, Kawanabo. Father gave his begotten son, which is me.
Definitely.
Khalil Shabbat. I'm the last one sent. I come when all else is failed. Welcome to the new world of music. Start.
ahead, man, and just live your life, whatever you're doing. And just leave us alone. Leave the streets alone. You understand? And if you do have to say something, put a positive word out there to that kid. And tell him that what you did was wrong. Tell him that. You understand? Stop trying to relive the life that you had. Because when you really look at it, we didn't do nothing. So whatever you did, for whatever reason you did it is done. Rest, brother.
In real life, ain't no lights and cameras. But it's action packed full of shots and habits. While the world seems to change, still the struggle remains. That's why I kept a ride come to shine through the rain. In real life, ain't no lights and cameras. But it's action packed full of shots and habits. While the world seems to change, still the struggle remains. That's why I kept a ride come to shine through the rain. We take whatever from big face bills to loose change. We struggle to support ourselves by any of means and stand toe to toe whatever the theme. Up in the heights with your man just might. Right price. And the sad thing is, it's how it is, homes get it. Instead of breaking bread, homes want the whole biscuit. And we done seen it happen. Cast his best friends from the sandbox till he left the scene clapping. Facing life in prison, thinking shit is slit his wrists. It's a snitch and give up the bigger fish. So just think, don't play the fool, y'all. The risk is too big and the crumbs are too small. And there's more at stake than just some money to make. I'm talking about them kids right in front of your face. So while he coping with the pressure still running in place, man, I'm thinking about direction for that gun in his waist. Come on, in real life, ain't lights and cameras. But it's action packed full of shots and habits. While the world seems to change, still the struggle remains. That's why I kept a ride come to shine through the rain. In real life, ain't lights and cameras. But it's action packed full of shots and habits. While the world seems to change, still the struggle remains. That's why I kept a ride come to shine through the rain. In real life,